Hi everyone, let's start constructing one more polygon of the given measures. Here you have been asked to construct a quadrilateral ABCD with the given measures. So very first step is to draw the dummy, and the dummy here is gonna be of quadrilateral. Okay, and nothing's to be keep in mind, just draw a random dummy which is ABCD. Okay, now label it with the measure. AB is 9, BC is 4, AC is 6 centimeters. So AC, that means you have been given a diagonal. AC equals to 6 centimeter. BCD is 80. BCD, so it's the about this angle. BCD, from here till here, these are the two arms of the angle. This angle is gonna be 80 degree. Okay, and BAC is 30. BAC, so BAC, that means this is your 30 degree. Okay, so here dummy is ready. One more thing, when you name a dummy, when you draw a random quadrilateral and you start naming it, you can choose any point as A. No need to start from A, you can start from anywhere. But once you have chosen your A, B should follow it either in this direction or that direction. You cannot take A here and B there on the opposite. Okay, they should be adjacent, either ABCD or ABCD. Okay, it should never be A here, B here, then C here, then D here. You must follow one of the path, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So here we have a dummy. Now we have to plan, how should we proceed. Okay, so if you draw DC first, okay, if you draw DC first, you can go in the direction where B lies. Okay, so on DC equals to 4, then you can draw 80 degree direction, but where is that B? You don't know. Okay, there is no other way to reach B from D and C, so you'll get stuck up. Now DC and then a direction of 80 degree. Okay, yes, in the direction of 80 degree, B is 9 centimeter away from A, but A is not in the scene. You just have DC, you are starting with DC, so we did not find A yet. Okay, so, and if we forget about drawing 80 and we go to find A, so we draw DC and then A is at 6 centimeter from C. So again you have the measure, but 6 centimeter, there are infinitely many points. How to fix A? Again, if you have to fix A, it is 9 centimeter from B, but again we do not have B. So if we start from DC equals to 4 centimeter, we'll get stuck up. Okay, so you have to carefully choose your path of action. Here what I can see, if I choose AB to draw, okay, I'll draw AB. So after dummy, I can write my steps. That I am choosing AB. I have already decided everything. So once you have decided that this path is clear, you can also write down your steps to confirm. Here, the moment we draw AB equals to 9 centimeter, what all we get in the scene? A and B. So we got two of the vertices, A and B. Okay, then we at AB, I can draw 30 degree. Okay, at BA I can draw 30 degree. So when I draw, because I have A on the scene, I can draw 30 degree. So what will I get? A direction to find C. Okay, but I will just get a direction after 30 degree. So 30 degree alone cannot tell me where is C. Who will help us? This measure, AC. On 30 degree direction, I have to go 6 centimeter, then I'll get my C. So after drawing A equals to 30 degree, I have to draw AC is equals to 6 centimeter, and both of them, one will give direction and the other will confirm the position, and they both together will give me C. Now we have A in the scene, B is the scene, and C we have found out. Okay, now now we have to find out what? D. Okay, so basically at this triangle, this portion would be ready. C. Now once we have C, on B we have ABC. On BC we can draw 80 degree and we can get the direction for D. So when we draw angle BCD is equals to 80 degree, we'll get a direction towards D. BCD direction, and CD equals to 4 centimeter. In that direction, if we go 4 centimeter, we'll get D. So these both measures will confirm where is D. So this is how dummy helps us to plan it. When you'll do 2-3 sums, you'll be able to decide your steps and you'll be able to construct the polygon of the given measures. Now let me construct it now. I've drawn AB equals to 9 centimeter. Now I'll draw angle A equals to 30 degree. At point A, I'll draw 30 degree angle. So let's keep the protractor and draw it. So here we have a direction. Here we have a direction. Point to be noted. We just got the direction in which C lies. It lies in 30 degree direction. We did not get C yet. How will we confirm C? It's at a distance of 6 centimeter from A. In this direction, 6 centimeter. So let's see. In this direction, 6 centimeter. So here we got our C. So here we got A, B and C. We got this, and we got this. Now at BC, at point C, with one arm as BC, we have to draw 80 degree. So at point C, with one arm as BC, I have to draw 80 degree. So let's see. With one arm as BC, so I have to keep a protractor on BC like this. And the angle is starting from this direction. Now I have to make 80 degrees, which is somewhere here. So it's coming somewhere here. That means I did not plan. All quadrilaters are not possible. So I'm just changing this 80 degree and let me change it to be 130. Okay, let's change it 130. Here also 130. Got it? So 130 degree. So let me take it now 130. Okay. So here I got the direction of the angle in this direction. In the 130 direction we have D and at a distance of 4 centimeter from C. So from C I just have to go 4 centimeter. Let me see, where is 4 centimeter? Here is this. So this is D. Okay. At an angle of 130 degree from BC and 4 centimeter away from C. Now all the 4 points are on the scene. So our quadrilateral is ready. Okay. So here our quadrilateral is with the given measures. So this is how the polygon will look like. Actually this was a dummy and the actual quadrilateral is this one. So in this quadrilateral we have these measures. Okay, so this is how we make a polygon. So you may also start with the assignment. The point to be noted, first of all, dummy, label it properly and then decide your steps and then proceed towards the construction.